Okay, dear students, in the last class we have completed all the concepts required for exercise 3.3. We can say those concepts belongs to 3.3. Okay, now let us do the exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 means problems, questions one by one. Okay, see what is the first question. Prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This we have to prove. Okay, let us prove one by one. We write values. Why? Because see, NCERT what they do, from first question onwards to last question, slowly they upgrade the problems. Toughness of the question will be increased from question number 1. Question number 1 always will be easier only. Okay, let us do, we also increase our standard from question number 1 onwards. Okay, you see sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Normally you and I are conversant with degrees. Okay, let us convert this into degrees and we will put values and we will see whether it is going to become equal to minus 1 by 2 or not. Okay, now you can take LHS, like I am not writing LHS, you take, and finally you have to prove RHS, hence prove that. Okay, that these and all you have to do that much what we can say level I am not going to tell. Okay, that is equal to sin of pi by 6 means what? 30 degree. Okay, pi by 3 60 degree. 30 degree whole square. Why? Because square is there. Plus cos of pi by 3 means 60 degree. 60 degree whole square. Square is there. Minus tan of pi by 4 means 45 degree. 45 degree whole square. Okay. Okay. Now you see sin 30 means how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 sin 30 both are equal. Cos 30 sin 60 both are equal. Okay, sin 60 means cos 60 means sin 30 only. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus. See tan 45. See here some logic is there. Tan 45, cot 45 both are 1. Sin 45, cos 45 both are 1 by root 2. Okay, like that you have to remember. Okay, tan 45 is 1 square. That's all. Okay. Now you see 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square is again 1 by 4 minus 1 square is 1. Okay, see 1 plus 1 2, half plus half 1, quarter plus quarter half, quarter plus quarter half, minus 1, 1 minus half, half, half minus 1 minus half. RHS proved. Okay, like this you have to finish. See what you do in examination, LHS you take this one and do this one. That is equal to finally RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. All these you have to write. Okay, you see now. Second question. This also you have to prove. Continuously you have to prove up to 4. Fifth question, value you have to find. Okay. 2 sin square pi by 6. This is question number. From here onwards question starts. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. We have to show 3 by 2. Like earlier, take LHS. Okay, start writing degrees. But degrees are easier. 2 into sin pi by 6 means 30 degree. 30 degree whole square. This means 2 into plus cosecant square. You see here these both are multiplication. There is no plus sign. Here plus sign is there. Okay, these two we have to multiply. Cosecant 7 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. Okay, 7 into 30 210. 210 degrees whole square into, okay, no plus, into pi by 3 60 cos 60 whole square, cos 60 degrees whole square. Okay, like this you have to convert it. Okay, now sin 30, you know, 1 by 2 whole square, 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant 210, 0, 90, 180, 270. Okay, horizontal angle, vertical angle, all silver tea cups, all students take coffee. Okay, all silver tea cups, all sin tan cos. You see, cosecant 210, 210 means this is less than 270. Here it is coming 180 to 270. Here cosecant is coming. Cosecant has to come here, sin and cosecant has to come here, but rather than here it has come. Then what it will make? It will make minus. You put minus, okay, in bracket minus. Then see, what is this angle 210? Sorry, wait, you have to convert this first. 210 directly, how can you write? 180 plus 30. You write 180 plus 30. Cosecant 180 degree plus 30 degree whole square. Okay, in the next term we will do. Cos 60 is how much? Cos 60 is like sin 30 only, 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. This is into is there. Okay. Okay. Now you see here, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 plus. Now you see, cosecant 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30, here it is coming. But this is belongs to tan and cot, not belongs to cosecant. That is why minus you have to take. You take first minus. Okay, now this is for symbol, positive or negative. But what about for angle? Whether it is going to come cosecant only. Why? Because see, 180 has come. 180 is horizontal angle. Horizontal angle means cosecant only will come. You write cosecant 30 degree. Okay, whole square. 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now 2 1 by 4. That means 1 by 2 plus minus cosecant 30 means how much? 1 by minus 1 by sin 30. Minus 1 by, see, minus is there. Minus 1 by sin 30. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Whole square into 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 like that only, plus, see, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 4. How much it will come? This 2 will go top, minus 2 square means 4. That means 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. Okay, this is going to become 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. Your RHS has come. Okay? Okay, note down, we will go for third question. See the third question. Third question, cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. We have to prove this 6. Okay, let us see how to convert and all. Okay, you convert into degrees. Okay, cot 30 degrees. Cot equal to LHS equal to cot 30 degree whole square plus, see, 5 pi by 6 means pi by 6 is 30 into 5, 150 degree. Cosecant 150 degree. Here no square is there. If you observe, here square is there. Here no square. But here again square is there. Yes, sir. Okay. Here no square is there. Here square is there. Plus 3 into tan 30 square. Tan 30 square. Tan 30 degree whole square is equal to. Okay. Okay. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30, right? Cos 30 degree by sin 30 degree whole square plus cosecant 150. How can you write? 180 minus 30, right? Cosecant 180 degree minus 30 degree. That's all. Okay, no square. Plus 3 tan 30, how much? Tan 30 we know. See, cos 30, cot 30 is 1 by tan 30. Tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. But even then I am writing 1 sin 30 by cos 30. Okay, but you have to by heart these values. Okay, you have to by heart. Up to tan and cot, you have to by heart. Secant and cosecant rarely it comes. Okay, you see, sin 30 by cos 30 means, see, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That you have to keep in your mind. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant 180 minus 30. See, 180 minus 30 means here it will come. Okay, here cosecant sign both are positive, that is why this is positive only. Positive means you need not write again. But 180 degree has come means horizontal angle. Horizontal angle means cosecant will become cosecant only. Cosecant 30 degree plus 3 sin 30 1 by 2 by cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Okay, you see now, here you see, denominator 2 going to get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Root 3 square 3 plus cosecant 30 means 1 by sin 30. You write first 1 by sin 30, then next line we will make it. Okay, now you see, denominator going to get cancelled. 1 by root 3 square means 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. What is sin 30? 3 plus, you see, 3 into 1 by 3, 3 going to get cancelled. That means 1. 3 plus 1 I am writing plus 1 by sin 30. See, sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6. Okay. RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. You write and go for fourth question. Okay. Let us see fourth question. Sorry. 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. You have to prove. See, all squares are there. Okay. And different angles are there. This is 45. This is 60. This is 135. You see, pi by 4 is 45. 45 into 3. 45 into 2 is 90. 90 plus 45, 135. 135 angles will come. 145 degree. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Okay, this you have to prove equivalent to 10. Let us see, let us convert these radians into degrees. Okay, LHS is equal to 2 into, see, sin 135, pi by 4 into 3, 45 into 3, 135. Directly I am writing 135 degrees whole square plus 2 cos pi by 4, 45 only. Here, cos 45 square plus 2, I think we can keep 2 common, let it be. Okay, anyway we are going to solve this easily, that means this is not that much complex. Okay, pi by 3, 60 degrees, secant 60 square, secant 60 degree square. Okay, okay, that is equal to, you see, sin 135, how you have to convert sin of 180 plus 45, 180 degrees minus 45 degree. Is it correct? Sin 180 minus 45. Sin 90 plus 45 also you can write. Sin 90 plus, both will do same answer. Sin 90 plus 45. I am going to show you, okay, afterwards. Sin 180 minus 45, sin 90 plus 45. Both will give 135 degree only. Same value is going to give. Okay, plus 2. Cos 45. Cos 45 you know 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. Plus 2. Secant 60 means what? 1 by cos 60, right? 1 by cos 60 degree whole square. Okay? You see here what I am showing to you. Sin 180 minus 45. You see, this is 180. 180 minus 45 means first quadrant, sorry, so sine quadrant, second quadrant sine. Sine positive. Okay, first positive. Then because of horizontal angle, okay, horizontal angle 180 degree, sine is going to become sine only. Okay, sine 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. This is if you write in sine 180 minus 5. Now we have written sine 90 plus 5. 90 plus 45. Okay, you see. 90 plus 45 means this first quadrant only. First quadrant sine only, positive. But you see, now 90 degree is there, vertical angle. Vertical angle means sine is going to become cos. Cos 45. Okay. See, for seeing both are different. But what is the answer? Both are 1 by root 2 only. Finally, answer is same. Okay, for seeing sin 45, cos 45 different is going to come. That is why you can take any one. There is no bar. Okay, now you write 180 minus 45 means I said 2 into 180 minus 45 is that second quadrant sine positive, and 180 is there, that is why sine will come, sine 45. Sine 45 degree. You see sine 45 square is there. Yes. Sine 45 square. Okay. Plus 2. Plus 2 into, see, 1 by root 2 square means what? 1 by 2. Is it correct? Root 2 square is 2. Plus 2 into, see, cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 2 square. Okay. That you have to keep in your mind. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square. Again you write 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 to get cancel 1. Plus see, here 2 square 4 into 2 8 will come. Okay. Now you see 1 by root 2 square means root 2 square is 2. 2 into 1 by 2. Plus 1 plus 9 you write directly. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 9, 10. RHS has come. Okay? Note down. We will go for fifth question. See the fifth question. Find the values of sin 75 degree, tan 15 degree. You see, we know sin or cos or tan 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. But we don't know 45, 75 degree and 15 degree. How to achieve this? We can achieve 45 plus 30, 75, 45 minus 30, 15 degree. Okay. For that, formula you have to apply. Sin A plus B, tan A minus B formula you have to apply. Okay, let us see. Let us see how to make this answer. First, let us see sin 75. Sin 75 degree is equal to sin of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Is it correct? 45 plus 30, 75 degree. Okay. See, sin formula we know. What is that formula? Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. This is formula for sin. Okay. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 also 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Now if you observe root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. See, denominator same, that is why you can add root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Normally here you can leave the answer. In answer book this is only there. But if you want you can further you can write for removing this root and all. But we don't do now. Why? Because the answer is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 only. We leave it here only. We go for tan 15 degree. Okay. I am going to rub this and tan 15 we will do. Okay, let us see tan 15 degrees. How can we write this one? Tan 45 minus 30. Tan 45 degrees minus 30 degree is going to give tan 15 degree. Okay, you see now tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. You write down tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay? This is conversion. Okay, formula. Tan 45 is how much? 1. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. 1 plus, see, tan 45 1 into 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay. Now what you do? You do cross multiplication. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay? This way you have to convert. You see. Now see, both denominator root 3 going to get cancelled. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now you can do rationalization. For doing rationalization, what you have to do? Denominator symbol you have to change, and with that numerator and denominator you have to multiply. Denominator symbol, here plus is there, minus you have to take into root 3 minus 1. Okay, same but symbol is going to change. With this only you have to multiply with now numerator also, root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now bottom a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is going to become. A square means root 3 square minus b square means 1. Okay. Here root 3 minus 1 whole square. Why? Because root 3 is there. Okay. Now numerator you see, a square 3 plus b square 1 minus 2ab minus 2 root 3. Numerator. Denominator you see, root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2 by 2 is 1. 2 minus root 3 is answer for your tan 15 degree. Okay? See, actually you can leave up to here root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But in your examination, board examination has come means here you can leave, no problem. You will get full marks. But in objective type question is there, then you don't find this answer, you find this answer. Then you have to convert again by rationalizing. Okay? Okay. Let us go for 6th question. Okay. You see the question, cos pi by 4 minus x, you have to prove sin of x plus y. Okay, earlier also we have proved. Cos pi by 4 minus y, cos pi by 4 minus x into minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. Okay. This you have to prove. You see here these are multiplication angles. Multiplication angle. That means addition to multiplication formula we learned, those you have to use. Okay, here both cos sin is there. That means in cos only that will come. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. If you add 2 cos a cos b will come. If you subtract, minus 2 sin a sin b will come. You see minus 2 sin a sin b like that. Okay. How to convert that formula also we will see. First you write those two formula here. Why? Because see those formula you have to by heart. That is why I am always telling again and again. Otherwise you cannot do such problems. Okay. Now I am writing the formula. You see how. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to, both are 2 cos a cos b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b. Why? Because see that side is going to get cancelled when you add. When you subtract, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Okay. See, for cos only, cos sin will come. If we put minus 2 sin a sin b, if we put plus 2 cos a cos b will come. Okay, cos only. For sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b will come, or 2 cos a sin b will come. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Those 4 formula you have to by heart. Okay, now if you have this formula in front of you, you can convert this even that also. A plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d, a is equal to c plus d by 2, b is equal to c minus d by 2. That also you can do. Okay, now you compare this. Cos has come. Okay, one is a plus b, one is a minus b, like that you have to take. You say cos. Okay, but 2 is not there. Then what you have to do? This 2 you have to transfer this side. See, for this how you have to write? You see, cos a cos b is equal to, see, cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into this one you have to write cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, if you write cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, that means this is a, this is b. A, b. Here also, so a, b, both are same. A, b, sin, cos. Like this you have to convert this formula. Now second formula, you see minus 2. You see how you have to write minus. If you take this minus, then you have to take it as plus. Plus of minus sin. Why? Because this is minus, entire minus you are taking and you are converting. Like that you have to take. Otherwise symbol is going to mismatch. Okay. This how to write? You see here 2 sin a sin b. You see sin a sin b. Sin a sin b is equal to minus 1 by 2 you shift here. Minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this minus also you are going to shift. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. This one cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay, like this you have to convert these two, then you are going to get that answer, final answer. Okay, let us do it. Until space is there we will do, then we will rub this one. Okay, first cos a cos b I am converting. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 cos of a plus b. You see what is a here? A is this one, pi by 4 minus x plus a minus b. A minus b is this one. See, this is a, sorry, this is a. Why? Because cos a is there, na? Cos a, cos b. This entire is a. A plus b means this pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. This you have to write. Okay, cos of a plus b plus cos a minus b. A minus b means again pi by 4 minus x minus pi by 4 minus of minus plus y. Okay, like that you have to write. This is over 1 by 2. See, again 1 by 2 is there. Again 1 by 2 is there. Common only you can take. What I am going to write, you see, rather than this minus is there, but 1 by 2 already there, minus is there, minus I am going to give minus. Okay, minus. Okay, you write down this also, cos of a plus b again. Why? Because this sign you are converting sign into cos. Cos of a plus b, again you write minus, I have put there, cos of a plus b pi by 4. I think here plus will come. Why? Because this minus we have taken already. We will see. Cos of pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y, okay, minus cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b. A minus b means this one only, pi by 4 minus x minus pi by 4 plus y. Okay, now you close. You remove all these formulae. Why? Because we want space. Carefully how to do, or else you are going to get a wrong answer. 1 by 2, you keep like this only. You see, pi by 4 going to get cancelled. Okay. Cos of no. Pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is going to come. Cos pi by 2. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus of minus x minus y. I can write minus x plus y like this if you put in bracket. Okay. Okay. Plus. See, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 going to get cancelled. Plus y minus x. I can write cos of y minus x. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. Now plus. Here also pi by 4 pi by 2 only will come. Cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. Okay. That one. And minus of, you see, pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 0, y minus x, cos of y minus x. Okay. If you observe carefully, cos of y minus x plus is there, cos of y minus x minus is there. What you have to do? You have to cancel these two. Okay. Then you come here. 1 by 2 into cos 90 minus theta sin theta. You write sin x plus y plus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Sin x plus y. Okay. Okay. Now sin theta plus sin theta. 2 sin theta. 1 by 2 into 2 sin x plus y. Okay. 2 going to get cancelled. Sin of x plus y will come. Okay. See, carefully you convert this minus symbol. Minus symbol carefully you have to convert, or else you are going to do mistake. See, anyway he is asking us to prove. Any mistake has come means here chance is there to convert or correct it and make it sin of x plus y. Okay. If it is not coming means you did some mistake, like you have to think, you have to go back and you have to change the symbol, then it will come. Why? Because the conversion little bit tricky only. Cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is going to do minus 2 sin a sin b. Minus 2 sin a sin b, how to convert? Little bit tricky. Okay. Now take this question. We go for 7th question. Okay, you see this question here. We have to prove this. Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Or else we can say 1 plus tan x square by 1 minus tan x square. Both are same. Okay. Okay. You see how to convert this value? We know tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of 1 minus a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. This formula only we have to use and we will get this result. We have to get it. Let us see. Okay. Okay. That is equal to, you write LHS like, okay, tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to tan a plus b. Tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x divided by tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus, see here minus will come, here plus will come. Why? Because this is minus. 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x. Okay. See here denominators are not going to get cancelled. You have to observe carefully. Okay. But one thing you can observe here. Tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 plus tan x. You can write 1 plus tan x by tan 1 by 4 is 1. 1 minus tan x. You write 1 minus tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan x. You write 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Why? Because tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, tan x. 1 plus tan x. Okay? Now, okay. You see, we can write like this. You see, a by b by c by d is equal to a by b into d by c. Okay? This fractions. A by b by c by d. See, a by b by c by d are there. We can write a by b into d by c. This means this will go top and c will come bottom. 1 plus tan x will go top. Like this we will write. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into t by c. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Okay? Now you see numerator 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x. That means 1 plus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x. 1 minus tan x whole square. Or you can write like this also. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay? This will be your RHS. Okay? Okay. Note it down. We go for 8th question. Okay, you see, cos pi plus x, cos of minus x divided by sin pi minus x, cos of pi by 2 plus x. This we have to show that this is equivalent to cot square x. Okay. See again, you see here cos pi plus x means 180 plus x here. In this quadrant cos is going, but cos has to go here. Here tan and cot are there, third quadrant. This is 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Okay, third quadrant it is going. That is why it is going to become minus. First you put to minus. Minus. Whether cos has come or sin has come, you see pi is horizontal angle 180. Horizontal angle means cos will come. Minus cos x. Okay, this one. Okay. Cos of minus x is what? Cos of minus theta is cos theta. That means cos x only. Okay. Now sin of pi minus x. You see pi minus, see pi plus is third quadrant. Pi minus is second quadrant. 180 minus. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. All sin, all silver. Okay. Sin only is there. That is why this is positive. First positive. You need not write positive. If you don't write also positive only. But see here 180 is there. 180 is horizontal angle. Horizontal angle means sin will become sin only. You write sin x. Okay. Now cos 90 plus theta we know very well minus sin theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. But cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. You write minus sin x. Okay. If you see here, cos square, but minus is there. Minus cos square x divided by sin square will become, but minus is there. Minus sin square x. Okay. Now if you see, minus are going to get cancelled. Cos square by sin square is how much? Cot square. Okay. This will be your answer for 8th question. That's okay. You see the question carefully. In this question, see here two identities are addition are there, but this you have to multiply with this one. This is only one identity. You see multiplication is there. That means you have to take value of this one and multiply, then one value will come. This you have to take 2 times. Why? Because say a, both will become a into b plus a into c. Like that you have to do. Finally answer should come 1. That is this question. Let us convert. We know how to convert, and let us convert this question into degrees. Okay. Now cos 3 pi by 2 is how much? Pi by 2 is 90. 90 into 3, 270. Right, 270. Cos of 270 degrees plus x. Cos of, see, 360 plus x. Okay. Now you see, cot 270 minus x plus cot 360 plus x. Okay. Now little bit easy we can tackle this problem now. Okay. Cos 270 plus. See, 270 plus means which quadrant? Up to 270 third quadrant. 270 to 360 is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos has gone. All silver T cups. C cos. That means that quadrant is for cos and secant only. Cos has gone means positive only will come. Positive. You did not write positive. Okay. 270 is vertical or horizontal? 270 is vertical angle. Vertical angle means cos is going to become sine. You write sine x. Okay. Now come here. That means you put to dot. Dot means into. Cos 360 plus x. See, 360 means 0 degree. Plus x means 0 plus. That means first quadrant. First quadrant all positive. You need not put positive. All positive. But 360 is horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Horizontal means cos is going to become cos only. Cos x. Okay. Now you see 270 minus x. Cot 270 minus x. See, 270 minus means third quadrant only. 270 plus means fourth quadrant. 270 minus means third quadrant. 180 plus also third quadrant only. Third quadrant cot has gone. Third quadrant all silver T. Tan and cot both are positive. That is why this also positive. You need not write positive symbol again. But what about 270? 270 is horizontal or vertical angle? 270 is vertical angle. So vertical angle means cot is going to become tan. You write tan x. Okay, plus cot 360 plus x. See, 360 plus means first quadrant. First quadrant all positive. You need not write positive again. But whether 360 is horizontal or vertical, horizontal angle. Horizontal angle means cot only will come, cot x. Okay. Now you convert to this angle. You send this one. That means see sin x cos x into tan x. Tan x shall I write sin x by cos x? Tan x I have written sin x by cos x. I have sent this inside. And again cot x. Sin x cos x. Cot x also shall I write cos x by sin x? Both. Okay. I have converted tan x as sin x by cos x plus cot x as cos x by sin x. With this both you have to multiply this. Okay. You are multiplying. Okay. Now if you observe cos or cos going to get cancelled. Sin into sin square x plus sin and sin going to get cancelled. Cos into cos square x. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved like that. You write and close this question. We finished this class now. What we do from 10th question onwards, let us do in next class. Okay, thank you very much.